What's up guys, it's Tadpole. I'm coming at you with my first tutorial video on transition. A couple people asked me to do this. This is for you guys and anyone else who might help. Hopefully it helps some people out. I'm just going to be talking about my general thoughts, not really specific transitions or sequences, just how I paint in my shows, how I transition in the show, and just kind of give you guys my perspective on it. Starting up high level, my definition of a transition is going from A to B, and that can either be going from point A to point B, or from concept A to concept B. So those are the two things I'm going to talk about today. Starting off with point A to point B, the most important thing is knowing where point A is. That's step one, right? Step one is going, I'm here, where do I want to be? Pick that place. So a good way to pick that place is to be comfortable going to a lot of places. It makes it so much easier to transition when you're like, holy shit, I don't even know where I want to go. I'm just going to pick a place, rather than like, oh my God, I only have like 2 other places I can be and I don't know how to get there from here. So my biggest tip, step one, if you don't have a lot of positions you're comfortable in, just lab on that shit. This is how I labbed for the first like 2 years in my clothing career. I just put myself in weird positions and said, where can I go with my arm? What are the limits of my motion here? What can my joints actually accomplish in these places, right? Once you get comfortable having a lot of places to go, then you can really move on from there. So just lab on positioning. Step one, improving your transitions, figure out where you want to go. Once you figure that out, you can figure out when you want to be there. So you got all these different destinations you want to go to. You want to take the scenic route, you want to take the freeway, you can just go straight there, right? That's always an option. If you're transitioning, you want to go right to left, you just do it, right? That's a very basic transition. It's just moving from spot to spot. You just freeze what you're doing and move it. That's an option, right? Or if you don't want to take the freeway, you know, you're not going to the hospital, it's not a life-threatening emergency. You just go to your in-laws' house, you don't really want to get there on time, it's fine, nobody really does. You can take a scenic route. Say you want to get from here, and you want to go up here. Your in-laws are up there, you don't want to get fast, right? You know, you take a scenic route, maybe you stop for some food on the way, get some gas, and then maybe make it up there just a little bit late. That's fine too, right? You gotta explore when you want to get there. So that's step two. Once you know where you're going, explore when you want to get there. And this kind of segues nicely into going from concept A to concept B. So your concepts are like your vehicles to get from point A to point B. That's how I think of it. So, you know, you're going to the hospital, you're taking the ambulance, everyone's getting the fuck out of your way, you're going fast, right? Well, what's fast, right? Liquid can be fast, tuts are big, so they can be fast. You can have big things, big motions, get up there quick in like 1, 2 moves, you're from point A to point B, right? Liquid, super easy, you're from point A, you're at point B, super quick, right? So if I'm doing a tut over here, right? This is my point A and I want to get to point B quick. I'm going to go from concept A, tuts, to a liquid, concept B, to get from point A, right, to point B. I'm going to go tuts at point A to liquid to point B, and that's my transition. So that's a full ass transition. And there's 3 steps to that, right? Knowing where you want to go. So you have to be comfortable going a lot of places. Knowing when you want to get there, I want to get there fast, right? So I'm going to do step 3, which is to pick my concept. I'm going to do liquid because that allows me to get up there fast, right? So those are the 3 steps that I took in my brain to think about, I'm going from point A to point B. Okay, I picked a point B, I picked when I want to be at point B, and I picked how I want to travel there. So those are the 3 things you really got to focus on, and I focus on them in that order. So that's all I got for you guys today. Really hope this helps someone. I know it's super fucking long, but I did my best. It's my first time. So give me some feedback. If you watched the whole way through, thank you so much. Yeah, drop a comment. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like. Maybe I'll do this again if you guys want me to talk about something else. Yeah, peace.